Omurigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV ni Chinsa Bono onye kendegi akorekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiota gito tumanye asubwango mono abunda isi veke nambeye asesemi yao enoti isano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elioto akire nabasaki baito vaikasuri na kubeko roboti ubwo asembeo Emesa ya mangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simi yao ime Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Biamono kimo mwanchu morigeria bo television ya Ndizi TV ni magarobende ya ekerogende teko to ligeria kuruando si ensengima ekerobono tuariganiri kigima usine ariganiri kigima gokwene kiabuna na koletera mangana maya asinkira yobukirano korulia gakiete na manga kolekanire no buigo basikibaito bakire sinyo cyonsi likwene kiabuna bayabekiramo na koletera asinkira yobukirano bunere butambiri tukure Jumamosi ni gokumerana na inche John Kebati elibono twanyara kwemanya mangana maya na magayaye toso asomurubiryo obwekeumbo bono nigo tetekorera bageri gukwarigania no moyo murabu kigima elio obenaiche guikomo elio unere Jumamosi butambe asomurubiryo obwekeumbo litukulia rero ni ndigonde no mogenione mheshimiwa Eric Abuga no mwanasiasa kuruase constituency ya Kitutu Chache South nere semogoro ya bono ochikobana itu asomurubiryo obwekeumbo taire ntunde tangani achirega ora achire chintunde kitali yangibire na nentundi ya gatatu na boigo itete kumenya mange kubwatakana mnobo chori buri bwaerete igwikira boniga birengeri biaye na rigeti bado gose magendro ki agendrete gokora ninki ekegia agendrete igokora gose agochia igototebia engakie ya bono tonyara kogenda ndonsi kiera nigongi ariganete kigima omogenione already nigo aikire ase studio chito cha Ndizi TV kigima na nigi ariganete litokosolie magaroba ya bono asumurubulio kiumbo bono tonyara kugenda ande ikiagera nigo twebekiramo kigima injena Joshua Auta kurwa sensemo ya kabiri yumunwa bwimanyiryo mangana maya nigo tugoya chakasige kirabusyo kigima yakimo mwanchu muri bo television ya Ndizi TV nyura Chikagechi no pokore semetando yeto ya Ndizi TV News Digital asemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asemo ya YouTube ili uligeria mangana maya kurusemo endeonsi ense gweta mangana maya niyo tugoya chaka bune kubwatekana no botuki bwabire bogokorwa asama tukabwa ngoiga nigo bokorokia ebuna amarita mange AGENKIO ime county ya Nyamira nigo abere igago ikirika obutuki obwoni go bwakorune kiombe gya NCPD go se National Council for People and for Population and Development omu county commissioner kurwase county ya Nyamira omusikie Onesmus Kiaza bako bwaterana nabo bwatani bande nigo bono bara omurobelio ubwoko ligereria na kuligichinchira echo GOTANGA AMARITO ayo AGENKIO aberiga kwenekiwa imeye county yumusakito job mangi nigo akwariganirie oroboti orwo asenkira yobukirano
Maiga yoko kina wekerengo kia AMARITO AGENKIO ase county Nyamira erega chichi county chitangaine ase goikira bono AMARITO AGENKIO arase kerengo ge 15 nuguta isano.
Some of the countries were dropped and currently EMETE is in 9 countries.
Kubwatekana no butuki bwa kortine kiombe kia NCPB omwaka bwechiri bubere na merongo ebere na isato nige sub county ya Borabu etangaine ekobwatigune sub county ya Manga sub county ya Masaba North Nyamira North ase Nyamira South egosieki.
Vijana wetu they are doing sex and they are doing unprotected sex. 19 Nyamira North, 2019 Manga. What is not happening? Unajua tutasema ilikuwa COVID, sio? Ama it was a period possible. Kwa hiyo kama kusema mtoto akikaa nyumbani lazima apate. Na 41 amepewa mimba. Out of that wangapi watarudi shule?
Nigaba watani abakorone kyombege kwegerera oboteni bwo kuibura International Center for Productive Health, National Council for Population and Development, Getago kyobulendi bakorono mo County Commissioner we County Nyamira Onesmus Chapter batwara egeikaro asomo bogani oyomo imie County Nyamira asibakwanira igoro echinchera chogokeya AMARITO AGENKIO.
Going downwards, we are going what? Upwards. In terms of these very serious violations. And we need to look at ourselves and re-examine ourselves, all of us.
Omo County Commissioner we County Nyamira Onesmus Chapter naichanira ekerengo ekenene kya AMARITO AGENKIO.
It is very sad for us in this 21st century we are still talking about these things. It is like we have lost direction. If somebody today can think about to go and violate a young girl, a child, and then destroy her life, we need to seriously deal with these issues.
Esege tonjaru gocha sabara ibeti kanisa abagaka bekenyoro n'abantu bonsi gocha amo asogokeya AMARITO AGENKIO.
We are supposed to ensure that we sensitize the entire community. Very important. Mpaka nyumba 10 huko kwa villages huko wakiongea wanaongea kwa sauti moja na kusema kwamba we have refused in Nyamira, we don't want any more early pregnancies in teenagers.
Sometimes our children complain at home. Do you ever take time to listen why they are complaining? You don't. So if you don't, as a parent, that's what we are telling our parents, then you are creating room for teenage what? Pregnancy.
With the platforms we have, we need to have a sector approach to ensure that we address all these challenges.
Ekuro entindi njarwegwa uchasonde bwensi oratoke na mamocho yokunereria abana kinyaruka obwene bwabo unamba chikoirerwa egetambokero egetindi.
But this time around, we want to have even those fellows who are doing this, we need to expose them. Sio? Hata kama ni county commissioner ameenda kusumbua mtoto ya shule. Kama ile chief nilisikia ya huko Kisii, sio? Si kuna chief ameshikwa. Sio? Even here, there's a chief who is in jail. Kuna you are refungwa 20 years, sio? Kwa sababu ya kulala na mtoto ya shule, sio? This thing they also happen, they are being committed by some of the managers.
Kurwase County Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Gotikana no roboti uru Kurwase County Nyamira no musakito Job Maangi nigo togusuka busio bunenjira yemo yokurenda ogonchoria ekwelire nigo abakenya baborigwe kogekia busio na GOTANGA EMETE asobonge ayo nigo akwanirwe no mungina bw'umurayi bwense omuske Recho Ruto ayo niga yakwana litkurerero ime ye county ya Elgeyo Marakwet nigatebire bune serikali nishikoire getambokero yoko basira bali bonsi baraso asomrobirio obokwenekia bune EMETE GOTANGA asobonge mnegati yemerebirio eliomurayi bwense aberega kobeka busio kegima.
It is an honor to launch this partnership between the Nature Conservancy and Mama Doing Good to collaborate in the planting of 1 million trees along the watershed so as to conserve our environment. To deliver this initiative, we have also collaborated and partnered with various stakeholders such as the Ministry of Environment, Forestry, the International Fund for Agriculture and Development, that is IFAD, elders, and the local communities. I am glad to be part of the 1 million tree campaign under the Eldoret Iten Water Fund, which I'm informed targets to plant 1 million trees within various river watersheds, as well as the donation of fruit tree seedlings to farmers. The trees planted and grown from this campaign will protect our critical water towers. We believe that this collaboration is the key to addressing some of the challenges we face as people, communities, and as a nation for the future generations. These efforts will help us today is to appeal to the community to nurture the trees we have planted for the benefit they bring, better rainfall for food and additional source of income.
Elgeyo Marakwet, by TNC coming here, it is the right place that you are going to actually conserve. It is a water catchment. Anywhere you walk along the islands of Elgeyo Marakwet is a water catchment.
Gotikana na yumo nchumurigiria ni gobono engana ye bill go financial bill agendrete go kwanirwa na bange ni go bagendrete kurwa ebirengererio byabo chinga kiyo kigwa busyo webunge nene omukubyo ogocha egati yafali ba kwanire igoro yingane yo no mabunge bwe constituency ya Kitutu Masaba omuske Cliff Gisairo yotebrebuna korengana nabamenyi be constituency yo ni go bamugoririe kujitutira ale kigima chinga kicho mubunge kurasi constituency ya North Mugirango omushimiwa Josh Nyamoko nigo aboririe ababunge bande koyesira na kone kibuna ngwetere iliyo kwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza libakali konyora chibesa elirira chikoreta amagendero.
Our work is not to say the government should not collect revenue. The issue is at what time and which formula are we using. Mwananchi right now can't even feed their family. They're struggling to educate their children. They are here in the village and you're busy telling them about a housing fund. They're already living at home. By you going around and saying we are going to tax those with pay slips and you in the village you don't have pay slips, that's a big joke. That person with the pay slip is the one who is supporting the people in the village.
Ni lazima tuangalie na tuangazie ili tujue ni kina nani ambao wanatuambia ukweli na ni kina nani ambao wanatudanganya. Hata huyu Victor amesimama hapa anaambiwa ati kuna tax anaenda kulipa ya nyumba ya 3%. Na wale ambao wanaongea juu ya hayo maneno, some of them are our leaders. Let me tell you, na niwaambie vizuri, there is nobody ambaye anaenda kukata tax ya wale watu ambao wanafanya biashara hapa nje.
Mwancho murigeria kiratogendrete gutigara asingane yo ya mangana finance bill ni gobono abagwatani kurwa somo buri gwazimiyo la umoja na borobu bagendrete kujigikiria kigimana kwene kibuna eteli igochigoita egati habo noyore omobunge na boigo omuraibu abake ase bunge enene omuske opio wandai neratebiruna engane yo tebone tigo chiagweta busyo bwe bunge nande onyigiyo chigweta nigo abakenya bange baranyare gochandika no bugima ko kunga kigima na boigo meruburiyo yo bonchulia nero nigira chokonga imeyense ya Kenya yororobotirwo.
If that bill in its current form is not withdrawn and is pushed through Parliament using unorthodox means, this country will never be the same again. Because life is going to become totally unbearable. Kenyans are overburdened now. As we speak, even putting 3 meals on the table is a problem. Therefore, there is no way we can overtax these people again, yet we as a parliament, we are saying for the just government of the people.
So let them take time once more and listen to the hustlers. These hustlers that they claim voted for them are the ones that are also planning to overburden once again. They are planning to overtax them. As a member of parliament elected by the people of Awendo to be represented at the National Assembly.
Kigima mwancho murigeria ni gotogendrete via kigima igoro yengane yo ya finance bill. Bali bono bago segeta engane yo nyare gwetiwa asebunge nene kurwa sobo mobulia bwa Kenya Kwanza na borobuo nigo bagendrete gweta chinsemo ao imense gweta elio kwene kebuna ngo segeta bali ababunge elio bachigwetia engane yo kerera ikiwe bosyo bwe bunge mubunge bwe constituency ya Kuria East Maisuri Kitayana ni gobononera alireira yogo cha kwenda busiona ko bakwanira ababunge bande elio kwa engane yo koboko na kwenekia buna ya itire elio serikali ya Kenya Kwanza enyara konyora libaga oyo nigaru munyakirugo ase committee ye budget ye bunge nene na nigo ainekirie buna ebirengerelio serikali ya Kenya Kwanza bwate nigo birengerelio ebyakigima ebyo bikoroberia na bwo koleta magendero imeyense ya Kenya.
Sisi nikiwaongoza nyinyi wa Kuria, mimi nasema hivi, tusiingie ile chorus ya wale ambao tayari maendeleo imewafikia, Watu wametembelewa na lami miaka yote ya uhuru. Watu wamewekewa stima miaka yote ya uhuru. Watu wamepewa maji miaka yote ya uhuru. Watu wamepata kupata mashule mazuri. Yani wameendelea sana kutuliko sisi Wakuria. Alafu wanaongoza kwaya ya kupinga finance bill na sisi tuingie huko ndani. Hatutaingia ndani.
We are listening to the people of Kenya. We have our aspirations as leaders and the things we want to achieve. But we are also listening to the people of Kenya. Wakati wanatuambia tunataka hivi, hatutaki hii. Na ile imekuwa ikifanyika public participation has been a very sacrosanct process. We respect the people of Kenya. Tumekuwa tukichukua maoni, na hiyo maoni najua it is to make us richer as leaders in terms of our opinions. It is to make our
Oyo kabeire omokonyi bw'omunyakiro gwa kiama kya UDA chinga kichobo choli obonene bwa etakuru county ya Kakamega. Oyu manyikanite muna Seth Panyako niko bone irusiri kiama kya UDA ko bwatekana ningane yo ye finance bo ebirengerero ao bigendrete korwegwa ko bwatekana no kurwa kwa yorona boigo ne finance bill yo boigo aba menyibe county yo Kakamega ni bamubolirie omuliki munene bw'ikiama kya UDA Clovers Malala ko ira chinkaki na gutwara chinkwana eliyo kogenderera ase obochori bwo mwaka w'ikiri 2022.
Tafuta Panyako mwelewane. Next election tunakuhitaji bwana rais. Panyako tuko kwa UDA kwa sababu ya Panyakale tuweka pamoja. Hii mzozano hii hatufurahishi kabisa sisi watu wa chini. Bwana rais, Panyako kama unanisikia, tafuta Panyako mwelewane. Panyako amekuwa mwana UDA. Kakamega County ametuweka pamoja. Kakamega County ni wana UDA. Kindly bwana rais, tafuta Panyako mwelewane, mweke amani, tunakuhitaji next election.
Wakati chama yetu ilianza UDA hapa Kakamega County, tulikuwa na kiongozi wetu Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako. Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako ndiye alikuwa kiongozi wa UDA, ndiye alifanyia UDA kazi mingi. Alifanya kazi mingi hapa Kakamega ya kutengenezea vitabu ya kufanyia registration. Yeye ndiye alikuwa anapatia candidates pesa tukizunguka tukimarket chama. Lakini imefika wakati ameongelea mambo ya finance bill, tumeona wameanza kutofautiana kidogo. Wale marafiki wa president mpendo wetu Rais William Ruto, tunakuomba kama watu wa UDA, vile mlianza na Seth Panyako kazi, chama ikianza Kakamega, ushike Seth Panyako mkono, tuendelee kufanya kazi na Seth Panyako Kakamega. Bila Seth Panyako chama UDA itakatika. Si namna hiyo?
Mheshimiwa Clovers Malala, wewe ndio General Secretary wa UDA. Tunajua Panyako mlikuwa naye kwa chama, yeye kama Vice Chairman wa UDA. So tungekuomba Mheshimiwa, wewe ndio General Secretary wa UDA Kenya mzima, kama mambo inaweza anza ya mgorogoro hii itakuwa mzuri. Wewe kama katibu mkuu wa chama tunakuomba, ingelikuwa mzuri jaribu kutafuta Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako, mkae naye chini after 5 years. Najua kuna baadhi ya mambo yenye maybe mnaweza hitaji Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako kule Malava ama sub county zote 12 msaidiane kuelimisha
gotigana ningani juu ya finance bill ni governor tukusuka busio gochiase amanganande magigajo mu MCA kuruase ward ya Kapsoit Paul Chirichiri kobe kwa biara litukoligoro kubatakana mu macho mu batranite asogosalia machine ase county ya Kericho ono nigo abwato kirwe ase bondi shilingi milioni hemo hayungorengana no mona chibina kurase county yo ya Nakuru Edward Oboge oyotebirubuna tago chia kogendera kumubwata gusikumutanga omo MCO yo ase egetango asengencho nigekorokana buna borororo tiboisaini na igo nigo amubwato kire kigima.
Constitution that was promulgated in 2010. The spirit was here today. We've always sung the national anthem that justice be our shield and defender. And through the spirit, justice, justice, justice has been my shield and defender. So I want to tell my people that I am so grateful. Auta continue.
They ought to investigate the historical land injustices of yesteryears whereby thousands of Kipsigi's families had their houses burned, their livestock confiscated, and subjected to all manner of torture. It is not right that when the British multinationals are trying to leave, all they want to do is to do something akin to what they did when the slave trade or slavery ended. We know from the history that all they did was to pay.
Na yumo nchumurigeria obururi bwerisabeso nigo bwatekire imeye county ya Mombasa asa abantu babiri basiririe obugima bwabo nabwo abantu gwika 53 na borobuo nigo balese nyegetari ao imeye county yo bagenderete konyora oburingoria gukwana mugabana bwi county yo omuske Abdul Somad Nasir nigo bana buliri abamenyi ibe county yo ko maiso chingaki abo bisabo chenu bagenderete kubwatrana na county yo eliokwenekia buna abantu ngwetanga bali nakubwatia marago aliganirie eliwetanga kurwaso bururi ubwo uberisabeso.
Jaribu kuingia katika hospitali kuu ya Coast General. Coast General ideally ni a referral hospital, ni sehemu ambayo kama kuna jambo la matibabu yoyote ndo watu wanaenda pale. Na pia vile vile kuanzia tarehe 17 June. Hii ni orodha ambayo kwamba itaendelea hadi tarehe 27 June. Tutafanya medical camps tuliahidi katika sehemu zote za Mombasa. Tutakuwa na medical camps.
Na yo umutunili wabakuriye mirimo se serikali ose chief of staff ase abisi yumuraibwense omuske Felix Kosgei nigo bona boliriye abaliki babutambe ase chuwizara ao kobaso mustari umutwe asukurwani obukurumi ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza gukwa na chinga kibabu ategekaro ase semo ya Isiolo nigo bona ni kibuna serikali nigo yachakire ekumulekera obukoreri ase chinsemo ao nonde bwensi oliura chikubatranirwa ningana yobukurumi nigarahirwe egetambukiro egetindi.
We want to see procurement adhering to the law. The law says that the prices of goods and services should be the prevailing market price. So why do you allow twice the price, 1.5 price, or something like that? Why don't you stick? Why don't you even walk across and pick an item and get to know the price? And then you turn around, after signing you say, oh no, it's not me, I was misled by procurement. Oh, procurement's professional opinion, say the other one. You are the accounting officer, as I said, you are government. You are responsible for all the activities in your State Department, and everything that is done in that State Department is done on
a board liekuriria mangana yuboga chiwichibara emergency ya Kenya niyo erengete gucha konyora billion 15 elio chewikirania ubwaga chi wichipara chikilomita chiribu 200 asige kimya ketano elibusio gokwana chinga kicho gwasyoria omurobiriyo gosemirobiriyo ye board ya mangana yichibara y'umwaka w'ikiribu 2023 w'ikiribu 2025 umuwaziri kurwazi wizara y'obosombi omuske Kipchumba Murkomen nigo atebire buna serikali nigegendrete koroberia elio kwenekia buna chibara chunzi nigo chirache koba chindonge go mwaka w'ikiribu 2025.
We expect not less than 84% of the entire road network in Kenya to be either good or fair, in fair condition. These achievements will revolutionize our landscape, our business sectors.
It's important to note that what we are launching today is the baby of the board, and we are going to see to it not every word, but every letter in the strategic plan is implemented.
Since its establishment, the board has fully implemented 4 strategic plans and has developed its 5th strategic plan to be implemented from this year to the year 2027. During this period, the government will deploy a whopping 512 billion towards maintenance of roads in the country, representing an increase of 26% compared to the last 5 years, which we spent 405 billion shillings.
Okay, mwancho murigeria abo television ya Ndizi TV ni kugenderete kurigeria mangana maya kuri basigitizini kyo nambe ya mukimono agwike Gusii asorogongo rwa Gusii bono bono mna nagote yabo ritangani ni go emugorobe yabono tole no mheshimiwa Eric Abuga uyu no mwanasiasa kurwase ensemeye ya Kitutu Cheche South ne retornere mugoroba yabono somurobelio obweke umbu na nigo aikira sichi studio chito asige kagetari getambe gongo ande tole egutwara chinkwana che maseyemo asemeseye tumanye na harayi agendrete naro bono nigo ndete ngutikana roboti kubwatikana na mangana yechi kanisa ejicyabere kigosoka asama tukabwangoiga na kwenikia amangana nde amange ayo egati yabo abantu bande gusiria ubugima igoro yengana yekanisa bono abarandi kuri rogongo rwo Gusii nigo bakwanire igoro yamangana yechi kanisa ejicyabere kiwesokia na kuri birengerere byabo kubwatikana ninki gosiji kanisa nchiroho echike maene mosakito Evelino Sero nigo bono atalire na kwenekia bono kubekira roboti ruo amo iriyo nyare kurorigeria asinkira yoboime kegima bono nkwere nande asige kagitari gitambe toso asomurubyo ubweke umbu
chikanisa nchiri chiechi chiekene na barandi mbarabi baraigenwe erineli borio kerokende richandite chingoro chia baigeni abanke aya magega ya mangana bere kago korekana kuri mutinyo gatatu omwako yoiga guchakere nsemo ya Shakahola Malindi county ya Kilifi asemibere y'abantu egenderete gotindokorwa magega y'umurandi yomo Paul Mackenzie otebekana kubangaina abegeni kwengata eriyo bagende igoro ekero bakure boigo egati abarandia babeire bakubwatwa asinonya nabo serikali egenderete n'umuroberi obwoko batukabande eriyo gotanga ogosirigwa kwa baigeni nengana erete tomungso monene imeyense asebono twaganire kumanya ninki abarandia naboigo abateneri bechikanisa ao bakoirera kubwatkana nenganeye
egendikiagera mangano asa kaora akaba chikanisa njirija mushrooming of churches kitalinse ya kiombe kende gions kego chokoro checks and balances iga mangana aba sakahora neke manyererio nga ne sect tari kanisa neke ombe kierure imase kanisa yakene yachakira mwo kererio amangao awonjo kanana ase charisma leader wosomo rayobo kiriago kwana na kio alpha na omega. There is no room for critical thinking.
Oko igorwa wechikanisa chinyinke ase chinde chitabwatie kerenge kiyana komuno kwa ireire komenta ebikore bunebi asabantu bakuboliwa koligerera mono chikanisa chiri chibwate kerenge kiya yokorandia enjire bwenerete ase okumanya omuchakano naboigo omugano bwasayo
chikanisa chiasoire chinyinge bantu baigore byosi kibakobeka amakondo bogerera abantu that is nande korukunga pollution ya environment yani amariyo gibunali wenetenge iriyo kyonya nase kanisa abantu mukurandeli beka egere banyare kubono goteka yande isuko wona abantu ngibatagete kiagero yo chori ngatari gocha no chumurande no chumugerera so kumugerera na bahutigara ko basari na bakwanda kurara igobona kinto batebinga baswe ase barochinga ayakurandi nengana ya Nyasaye tarikende nainde
nejikanisa chine dumaye the mainstream churches chimanyikanete chinkoro njibwate statement of faith lakini chine njire chikabwati noni
abarandi abanke ni gobo igobarokanire ko bwatkenjiri yere mamincha bunna ebekira seringana ryo monene ekyo kere kyorokererio yokubangaina nabo igoko basiria abaigeni
kanisa ende yonse egotebia abantu gento kere mamincha ekiarubogi maneke wekurwa Nyasaye gotebunga okwagende igoro bweng'ato okwagende igoro endo keringa eitari erenjera tokurandiria abantu nga beng'ate bakwe bagende igoro
ndisho na eria sakahora n'abantu beng'ate wika bakwe omorore Kristo nelifundisho lile overboard yani likogenda saidi wasema mincha ya orthodox ama fundisho aliyekene ya abakristo na chisect endekene chigokora chianya ko chiko brainwash abantu birengererio nelinga sects njiriko room for critical thinking wego ruibaga asaba Kristo asaba fuasi babo barengereri kuchine critical banyako babo question ama fuliso gete igase call to the sects there is no room for critical thinking
kolengana muna bonekero tokorigereria kurwase ebuku ya Nyasaye arigete omonye na ase egitabu kiaye ebanchiri entagatifu ya Matayo 5:38 ng'eriso ase eriso elino ase elino bono omonto muno oyo nabo okonyora abwate Bibilia otumeke ekebunge ekio elisa ase eriso oteba omonto gakomocheire mokonore eriso oteba yayo omonto gakoromire naye morusia amaino buku ya Nyasaye teri goteba bo nonya naba bani ba Nyasaye igo batigeretwo omoiko omochenu bagauteru na Nyasaye omoiko omochenu norore kobara ba interpret eBiblia kolengana muna Nyasaye begete
eriogo kiania okong'ainwa nigo murandi obara bwe kanisa ya Adventista akoboria abantu koenekia ngonyora barobo ene korwase ringana ria Nyasaye anene ase ogosoma ebuku
kolengana omwocho ganora sobosibwense igo ndatebeiga asaba Kristo baito bonse ase babeta ekene pi bono yaikire chingaki ase historiense keroyomo awente kwerigeria na kumanya gwetera samariko ekiagera amariko ayarabekira ase gatigati yaito amarika igare akwera oka enchera neringa nonye no mwana omoke ebikobo byo mwana omoke mbire ebo gosoma amariko na kuyaigwa ekiaro moiko mochenu noare korakero yomo ase kene gions muna yesago teba sigitabu kia Yohana 14.
Omofadha bwe diocese ya Kisii Cathedral Father Lawrence Nyanga na bwataya asenchire yemoyo gotoria begeni
ande bintu mbiri bingachi ris yani onyenne kanisa egojugo ko ibintu ngana bigo korenda oyigweta urose nere gokorenda oyigwa mache gitugutana na ra gokorenda ntubugate bintu getano na sekerisi gitunga sacramentos bigo tokonya lakini rende ndirigo teba ngechine chi ris chira gokonya buna tugutenge ibintu na bigoncho kabyaba kende gyose gusingiti ase igona kitwara gusabanga bantu baitombo bora kine karaba igurenga egento getikia kuni rwase igo naende mbaba se na paro gusingira batenga no tugukwera yaya goiko muntu gwerusi korugabo oruwakia no ruchinga gusiru kwarenge bona Nyasaye nero uigoire engaki yaya ikirike totenga ingaki ya Nyasaye nerenge
ogosabago chia sabarande bonsi ngoria bunatiga keroyomo atware kene na korende tari gosiria abaigeni ase okorigereria amagani aboka
bono togosaba abarandia kamoranje motumeke ngana ya Nyasaye asogosiria abantu ba Nyasaye abana ba Nyasaye mbatageto okwegena kolikoro okuya kubwatia amachika Nyasaye ekurate tobwate neriga some ngana ya Nyasaye oraguno moiko mochenu onjora abantu ba Nyasaye sekene nando oborokerie ngana ya Nyasaye korengana muna Nyasaye omonye nanye begete takorigichinda chaino chichore na abantu bande bagosira bosa
boigoni go baboriwe konyora maigeri abwenerete eriogo chaka obokoreri bwa Nyasaye asekeria buna abange babo nigo batabwati obumanyi bonde bwensi bwokoba omurandia
abantu bali bayimukire mundu ko omumaiterero mambi ko wabere mu pastor wabere mu bishop wabere apostle asa abeto den asa somere theological college ndomanyiti igama soma ya theological college na abande ba chaite na yengencho igaba pastor bagende theological college egere bali gure twanyor knowledge betange ku extremism
buna korengana neringana ria Nyasaye bali bakwegeria mamincha na machiko no borori wa Yesu Kristo oborabu tiboyo ime yabo
Biblia gototethia inga tuiranere amachiko tuiranere no borori bwa Yesu Kristo ebire ringana riaye no muntu onde bwensi okwegeria onye ta kwegeria korengana na machiko onye ta kwegeria korengana no borori bwa Yesu Kristo umuntu yoborabu osomo basotulime yaye
abaigeni nigo bakuboriwa gotatwara obwoba kubwatikana na yabere kago korekana kurende kogendera gosaba na kogenda chikanisa echo chire chindonke
tibo baso kuanga kogenda ekanisa asengenjeri ngana ya Makenzi yoti atwerende mono bagande kanisa chikanisa njiro chiekene chinkoro chiao kolire centuries kolende tiatogandere gosaba Nyasaye nagwata batigari baye
asobora yobuya no mwelekeo bw'ekikanisa ebyombe mbiro bikora obuteneneri bw'ekikanisa erigokonya ase okurongeia obukoreri nabo igo oburande bw'enjiri hanene ase ekikanisa kiri kyabeire kikoba okorwa chinga kiakare buna tokumanyiwa no bishop w'ekanisa ya ACK
ase Kenya ndubwate ebyombe bikoregure kikanisa nabo NCCK ase nda chama kikanisa kinyako bakikosoa ase ebyombe gete egartunyako batogo tokumanyanga oyenki akorokereria ngayeri arokeria akorokereria kene goseneria obolimo
obong'ainereria nonsi ariagenderete gokorekana nekiorokererio giechinga kichiomoerio ase abaigeni baboriwe kogenderera gotenera bokong'u ase Nyasaye na onsi na nyarikane.
This confusion yeroro yonsi omwocho kana omonge ojine ishara yechingaki chiomoeri ogosabanga kero ya moito tobe abantu amatata bubugite
okwono koenekia korwase egatia barandi nabo igabateneneri bechikanisa asokoboria kogenderete korwewo gochiase abaigenu gosaba Kristo bonsi koba maiso chinga kichonsi na gotenena na Nyasaye. Ngoripoteri ya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.